Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Ollama on Windows 11 PC. Ollama is a large language model locally hosted on computer, so you can easily access many large language model from your local PC. You don't need internet connection constantly to access large language model on your PC. To install Ollama on Windows 11 PC, at first we need to open browser and then search Ollama. Then hit enter. So this is the official website of Ollama. So I entered this website and then we find a very simple and pretty clean website where you see Ollama logo and download button. So I click on download button and then there is an option Mac, Linux and Windows. So I want to install on Windows 11. So I click on download for Windows button. Then it will downloading a 722 MB file on your computer. So we need wait to complete download process and I will fast forward this process. So download is completed. I minimize my browser and this is the setup file of Ollama. So I double click on setup file. This is the setup wizard of Ollama. So I click on install button. Then it will start extracting and installing on Windows 11 PC. It take few minutes. So we fast forward this process and after complete this process, I will show you how to access Ollama. So installation is completed. I right click on computer desktop and go to commander here and then type Ollama and hit enter. So there are a lot of function or command here. So I want to run a model. Before run a model, we need to check list of model. So I type Ollama and space list and hit enter. There are no list, so I will show you how to add new model on Ollama and how to access it next video. So that was my video. In this video I just show you how to install Ollama on Windows 11 PC. In my next video I will show you how to add new large language model and how to access it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.